Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I am your host and I am excited to have you join me on this English language journey. Whether you are aiming to boost your fluency, improve your grammar or simply become a more confident English speaker, you are in the right place. Today's video is all about boosting your confidence in spoken English, expanding your vocabulary and mastering those everyday phrases that makes conversation a breeze. So if you are ready to take your skills to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe and let's get our first word, chunati, challenge, challenge, khatarnak, dangerous, dangerous, bekar, worthless, worthless, lat, addiction, addiction, nirdeshak, director, director. Jagrukta, awareness, awareness. Pratibhashali, brilliant, brilliant. Sankraman, infection, infection. Ichha, desire, desire. Lalchi, greedy, greedy. साबित करना prove prove टालना avoid avoid युवा young young next word annual annual कोई भी anyone anyone निवेदन appeal appeal मजदूर worker worker next word weekly weekly वजन weight weight खिड़की window window असमर्थ unable unable धन्यवाद thanks. Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.